Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be always with you. Welcome to Global Right Path. I am Irshad Mahmood. Topic is solution to global gridlocks. One of the greatest inventions of all time is wheel. With more and more inventions and more supersonic fast robotic machines, humans are becoming worthless and are being laid off. A single machine may replace thousands of humans, but not a single human can ever replace a single machine. Robotic world is killing humanity and global gridlocks are on the rise, since not taking guidance from the Quran to save humanity in a balanced way. Example of global gridlocks. Take an example of past time when 1,000 people were working in the farmland. Later, they started using tractors and other machines, because of which layoffs started happening. And when comes supersonic fast technology, more and more people were being laid off. Perhaps they only need 10 people, then what those leftover 990 people will do and what education they need to get jobs. These 990 people were good customers to many other businesses while on the job, and now they are not. Same way, other businesses started using super fast technology and had laid off many employees who were customers to many other businesses as well, but not anymore. Although you are seeing other new technologies are coming into market, but later slowing down since they calculated for total population and thinking that everyone has money in their backyards, but in reality they don't have. Since they have lost their jobs, later industries started shutting down, slowing down. Banks and governments are also sh- shutting down, slowing down, and causing global gridlocks on the rise. When world is dependent on those who don't have money in their to pay their tuition fees, we need to change the world. Super fast technology is extremely good for humanity if those leftover laid off employees are put onto new projects to support themselves and their families, which is only possible if we work globally. Students must have debt-free education. Extremely poverty is breeding ground for terrorists and criminal minds can use them. An example of good global gridlocks due to soaring food prices also. Take an example of farmer producing apples. To increase his businesses, he needs to sell more and more apples for which he will need to increase its production no matter what. Also, it will start using supersonic fast robotic machines and will lay off humans to increase its profitability. A single supersonic fast robotic machine may replace thousands of humans, but not a single human can ever replace a single machine. And it is happening in every sector since layoff is on the rise. People will gradually reduce buying apples, which means apple farmer will have to reduce production at later stage and increase its price to have enough savings. So more and more people will reduce buying apples to in return and more prices will be increased. You may find little bubbles of reduced prices like in ocean you see bubbles. Eventually some farmers will have to shut down their apple industries since they cannot manage any longer. You already have started seeing many businesses are shutting down. Danger of wiping out foods, life-saving herbs, medicines, etc. due to global gridlocks. There is a great danger that some foods might be wiped out from the world due to not able to make it cost effective and people savings are falling behind due to bad global system or no global system exists to save humanity at the moment. Foods may be wiped out from the world due to bad global system and also life-saving herbs and life-saving medicines may be wiped out from the world due to bad global systems. Global world is facing global gridlocks and needs a global revolution. It is not the wealth, gold or silver or power which can save the global world. Allah sees Qarun, Firaun, Haman and many others for their crimes against humanity, and nothing could save them, not even their wealth, power, or people, etc. Reference Al Quran, chapter 29, verse 39. World didn't end there, but it redeveloped after a great revolution. Those who have never faced poverty may never understand its solution unless they have really taken guidance from the Quran or have gone for intensive training. It is 100% guarantee to save world and to help build our heavenly earth if we truly apply guidance from the Quran. We can redevelop the world through our own great global revolution. In simple terms, no changes without right actions. It is time now to open our eyes and correct ourselves as to serve the humanity in a revolutionized way in the light of Quran, in which all, including rich, poor, can live safe and sound, since Quran gives true revolutionized way guidance to fix global system to save humanity in a balanced way. Al-Quran chapter 2 verse 2. Globally, we can fix many things as mentioned in the following articles. Global downsizing, shutdown, lockdown. Let us join together to save humanity without any discrimination of religion, race, sector, gender, color, nationality, rich, poor, young, old, etc. Remember, we are children of Adam and Eve, and we are global brothers, global sisters of a global family. Allah never destroys any good nation. Do not turn out people from their homes. Saving a life is like saving the whole world. There is no compulsion in religion. Why waiting for saviors for thousands of years when humanity is dying now? Join us now to save humanity before it gets too late. Thank you.